Hello, board. We meet again. You're probably getting tired of seeing me here, but I'm not going away until change happens, because this isn't fair. It isn't fair to remove some of the best principals in the district because they don't conform to your policies. Alen Sarabia, for example, is not only a good principal, but a good person. He is the heart of Myland Performing and Visual Arts Middle School, and he helps make it the wonderful school it is today. Amazing principals like him know that Mike Miles' policies are not in the best interest of the students, and instead try to do what is. Miles, as we all know, doesn't care about the best interest of students, and instead only cares about money, which he's wasting. As he removes principals like Mr. Sarabia and all the amazing teachers and other staff in this district, he pushes even more good and certified principals and teachers away. What will be left after they're gone? A barren wasteland of uncertified people teaching one-size-fits-all lessons? Is this what he wants? For definitely not the last time, stop firing principals and teachers that have done nothing wrong. Fire Mike Miles. Thank you.
Kofi Grace Rojas.